Hi, welcome. I am so happy to have you. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is for all things art and junk journaling and just living a creative life. And if you aren't new, then welcome back. And I appreciate you so much for just being here. And today I'm super excited. I have a new kit. This kit, it's going to be a little different. Everything about it is going to be a little different. It's kind of an extension of my last kit, Cordelia. And today is the 5th of February. This kit is going to be on sale 50% off until the 7th at, I believe, 10 p.m. So make sure that if you're thinking about getting it, get it for the good price that it's going to be listed for. And I wanted a way to kind of say thank you to all my customers that buy my kits right away, and I wanted to give them a thank you. So that's why I'm doing it like this. So let's get started. I'm super excited. First off, we're going to start with these florals. Oh, and I have to say this kit is a little different. It's going to be smaller. It is actually 19 pages. On the listing, I say 18 because I added one at the end and I'll show it to you, but I just had to do it. So anyways, it has 8 background pages, and these are the background pages. In the file, you're going to get 3 different files. You're going to get the background pages where it floods all the way to the border to border. You're going to get another background pages. It's the same ones, but these have a border added. That way you're getting all of the little details of the background papers. And so you can choose to print whichever way you want. And then you're going to get the ephemera file. And so let's get started. So you guys know that I love florals. I loved in the Cordelia kit this little like tape on the edge. And so I kind of followed suit with that one. On this kit, the things that I love the most is like right here, you can see it looks like foxing, like from an old text. And I think that's so pretty. And then you can see like some of the text distressed into the florals. This one's probably my favorite. It reminds me of somebody that was like probably drinking coffee and, you know, maybe a botanist that was studying these florals and spilled their coffee on the pages. I think it's really sweet. One of the things that I think was in the Christmas kit that I really enjoyed was doing the collages, and I will add them from now on. I love the collage papers because you can use like little bits. You can use it all as one, or you can cut it up and use it in so many different ways. And I think it's so versatile and fun. I am loving the grunge in this kit. So good. I think, you know, even like as a little snippet, this would be so much fun to work with. And you guys know that I love florals. Like florals are kind of my thing. But in this kit, it might be the collages. Look at this. Look at the grunginess right here. It's so good. It's got more of these like drops. I adore this. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about it. This is probably my favorite spread. I think this one's going to be so versatile and like easy to use and just add so much texture without having to add a bunch of texture. Okay, now we're going to go on to the ephemera, which is usually my favorite part. So starting off with these florals, this page, you can actually use this as a background or ephemera. I put it in the ephemera bundle, but it could have gone in the other because you can use this as background paper. But I also did it because you can fussy cut around these florals. And so there's 3 designs of them, and there's 3 of each of the designs. That way you get a lot of florals that you can fussy cut, and I think these would be so sweet peeking out from a cluster. These would be just really cute. And like I told you guys before, I like adding the script on the back for two reasons. One, if you want to print it as a background paper. And then number two, if you want to fussy cut and leave a little bit of the edge, I think it'll look really pretty with that writing in the background. One of the things I'm really excited for is these labels. I know that I've gotten a lot of interest about my handwriting, which is, you know, kind of funny to me, but thank you. But anyways, it's 3 different sentiments. So this is 1, 2, 3, and you're getting them in all of these colors, and they're really good. I'm really excited to use these. I was kind of thinking, like, what is something that is missing or that I would like to have? And this was the first thing that came to mind. And so you can see some of those are all the sentiments right there. And so they repeat 3 times. This kit is like Cordelia, where I have some book pages. It is a little different because it's a little bit more, the ephemera is a little bit more ornate, and I added frames to these, which I absolutely love. I love frames. I don't know if it's a new obsession. Some call it an obsession. I don't know. But I also included some blank frames that you can either use to layer over the photos or the book pages, or you can use them just to layer in other pieces. I think they'll be so much fun to use. I am super excited about that. I'm super excited about using the frames, and I see a lot more frames in my future. I made, I hand drew these whale tail tabs. And I guess there's a punch out there that you can get, but it's like ridiculously expensive. So I just made some up. I don't have the punch, so I don't know if these are 100% accurate to the punch, but I thought that they were really cute tags. They're distressed. They come in these 2 colors. And if you aren't in the Facebook group, what are you waiting for? This is your sign. Go right now. Go in the description down below. Go and click on the link and join. It's really easy. You just have to answer 3 questions just to get into the Facebook group. But I add freebies in there, probably at least a couple a month. And so I'd love to have you join us. There's a really great group of ladies. So far, I think it's just ladies, I believe. But it's a very fun group of people, very lovely and sweet, and you won't regret it. Anyways, this is going to be posted once the kit goes live. This will go directly into the Facebook group, so you guys will get this right away, even if you can't get the kit right now. So make sure that you look for that. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So I made these little faux Polaroids, and they have like these little numbers and some like faux writing on them. These are the background is kind of a mushroom color, and there's a lot of florals here. They're so pretty, and you can see like some writing over it. They're distressed, and I am super excited to be playing with these. There is another set, and the background is more of a gray. And the biggest difference is these are flooded all the way to the edge. These have some white borders that you can see. So I wanted to try both out and see which ones, were a bigger hit. So this is the last page, and this was the bonus that I added at the last minute. And the original is over here, and it's the original like book page color, like manila color. And this one, it was kind of a happy accident. I was showing Lexi something on Procreate, and I showed her how to do something, and I kind of came up with something like this, and I thought, you know what, last minute I'm going to add it. It's not even included in the listing, but you will get it in the kit. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys while I show you one other thing is that the kit will not come with a mini course because it is a smaller kit and because of the price point that I put it at. And so I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that and you weren't looking for it. Another thing I wanted to talk about really quick was the printables. So I explained to you guys that there's two ways that you can print. One is where it's like the full page, and the other one is with the borders. If your printer does not print borderless and you always have a border, you're going to want to print I think you're going to want to print the one that's made for the borderless. Even if it takes a little bit more of the real estate, you can see here it's going to be like a tad bit more of the area, but you are getting like every little piece. Like right here, you can really tell you're not going to get that. So if that doesn't bother you and you would rather a little bit more space in less, or there be less space of white, then feel free to print the other way. But I wanted to show you what the result would be. Another thing I wanted to do is to really encourage you to print on different substrates. So I showed you guys this before. This is printed on newsprint. This is the original. And look how lovely this effect is. If you don't know how to print on newsprint, then I have a video that shows you how to print on vellum. It's the same idea. My newsprint goes through the printer fine without having to add anything to it. You might need to tape this down to a piece of copy paper. This is another one that I printed, one of the background pages, and just so good. And then the feeling of it. I mean, you can even hear the crinkle versus, I hope you can hear it. Anyways, I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys think about the kit down below. Also, I wanted to apologize in advance. I have been so bad about responding to comments on YouTube. I've just, with my mom coming in town and stuff, I've just kind of been, it like kind of threw me backwards. So hopefully I can get on track this week. And but I want you to know that I appreciate every single comment that you guys leave me. And I really, truly am sorry that I haven't gotten back to them, but I have read every single one. Like I said, I'll try to catch up this week. But on that note, I just wanted to tell you all, thank you so much for your support, for the love that you pour into me. And I'm just so blessed to have found each and every one of you. And I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say, and I will see you soon. Bye.